Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. So in this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important topic, that is audit of debentures. Audit of debentures as per section 71. Okay. So as you know that debenture includes debenture stock, bonds or any other instrument of a company evidencing a debt, whether constituting a charge on the asset of the company or not. डिबेंचर में इंक्लूड होगा डिबेंचर स्टॉक, जो भी बॉन्ड्स है, और फिर एनी अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ ए कंपनी व्हिच आर एविडेंसिंग ए डेब्ट, whether constituting a charge on the asset of the company or not. Clear? Then issue of debenture. A company may issue of debentures with an option to convert such debenture into shares either wholly or partly at the time of redemption. Then with conditions, provided that the issue of debentures with an option to convert such debentures into shares wholly or partly shall be approved by a special resolution passed at a general meeting. Issue of debenture which are converted into shares need to be approved by a special resolution which are passed at a general meeting. Which must be passed at a general meeting. Then no company shall issue any debentures which are carrying any voting rights. जो भी कंपनी voting rights होता है, in that case they are not able to issue any debentures. Then secure debentures may be issued by a company subject to such terms and conditions as may be prescribed. As per term and condition which are may be prescribed, secure debenture can be issued by a company. Okay, then where debenture are issued by a company under this section, the company shall create a debenture redemption reserve account out of the profits of the company available for payment of dividends, and the amount of credited to such account shall not be utilized by the company except for the redemption of debentures, redemption of debentures. Okay, and appointment of debenture trustee is mandatory for the following cases. Appointment of debenture trustee is mandatory for the following cases. First case, the offer of issue of debenture is made to public, where offer of issue of debenture is made to public. पब्लिक को अगर कुछ डिबेंचर इशू हो रहा है ऑफर के द्वारा, एंड द कंपनी मेक्स द ऑफर टू मेंबर्स एक्सीडिंग 500 इन नंबर्स, इन दैट केस अपॉइंटमेंट of debenture trustee is mandatory. So what are the auditor's duty regarding issue of debentures? The auditor should verify that prospectus had been duly filed with the registrar before the date of allotment of debentures. Then he should check the amount collected in the cash book with the counterfoils of receipt issued to the applicants, and also cross check the amount into the applicant and allotment of books. पहले तो क्या करेंगे, should verify that the prospectus had been duly filed with the registrar before the date of allotment of debenture. Debenture allotment करने से पहले it need to be checked that the prospectus had been duly filed with the registrar. Then auditor should check that the amount collected in the cash book with the counterfoils of receipt issued to the applicants, and also cross check the amount into the application and allotment of books. Then auditor should examine the debenture trust deed, need to examine the debenture trust deed and note the conditions contained therein as to issue and repayment. Then if the debenture are covered by a mortgage of a charge, then it should be verified that the charge has been correctly recorded. in the register of mortgage and charts, and it has also been registered with the register of the companies. ये सब देखना पड़ेगा ऑडिटर को. Then compliance with SEBI guidelines. SEBI means Security Exchange and Board of India. Okay. Compliance with SEBI guidelines should also be ensured. Then, where debenture have been issued as fully paid off to vendors as a part of the purchase considerations, the contract in this regard should be checked. तो ये सब ऑडिटर का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है to check for issuing of debentures. Then, interest on debentures. A predetermined fixed rate of interest is payable on debentures irrespective of the fact that a company has earned the profit or not. A determined fixed rate of interest is payable on debenture irrespective of the fact that company has earned profit. कंपनी प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहा है या फिर नहीं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बट ए प्री डिटरमाइंड फिक्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज नीड टू बी पेबल ऑन डिवेंचर irrespective of the fact that company has earned the profit or not. Then debenture holders are, as you know, that debenture holders are creditors of the company. They are not the owners. बचपन से ये सब सुनकर आ रहे हैं क्या? डिवेंचर होल्डर्स आर creditors of the company. They are not the owners. They have no voting powers and cannot influence the management, but their claim of interest rank ahead of the claims of the shareholders. And in case of interest on debentures, what are the responsibilities of auditor's duty? The auditor need to check the payment of interest should be vouched by the auditor with the acknowledgement of the debenture holders, endorsed warrants, and in case of bearer of debenture with the coupon surrendered. Then auditor should reconcile the total amount paid with the total amount due and payable with the amount of interest outstanding for payment. Auditor को need to check that the जो भी total amount है with the total amount due and payable with the amount of interest outstanding for payment, ये सब मैच होना है. टोटल अमाउंट ड्यू कितना है, पेएबल कितना हो रहा है, एंड व्हाट आर द आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट फॉर इंटरेस्ट. that all need to be checked by auditor. He should ensure that the interest paid on debenture like that on other fixed loans must be disclosed as a separate item in the profit and loss account. Okay. And again, a redemption of debentures. A company may issue debenture with an option to convert such debenture into shares either wholly or partly at the time of redemption. If debentures are redeemable, it can be redeemed in any of the following way. अगर debenture redeem हो रहा है, then it can be possible through following 3 ways. First, by way of periodical drawing, that is by creating debenture redemption reserve account. एक create होगा debenture redemption reserve account. Then by way of payment of fixed date. Then by payment whenever the company desires to do so. In this way, company may issue debentures with an issue to convert such debentures into shares either wholly or partly at the time of redemption. Then what are the auditor's duty? The auditor should inspect the debentures or trust deed for the term and conditions regarding redemption of debentures. Then he should see that director's minute book authorizing the redemption of debentures. He should also vouch the redemption with the help of debenture bonds, cancel the cash book. Then he should also examine the accounting treatment thoroughly. ये सब चेक करना है ऑडिटर को. एंड नाउ last, debenture issues as collateral security. Collateral means something pledged as security for repayment of a loan to be forfeited or cancelled in the event of any default. If the debenture are issued as collateral security to the banks, then auditor need to ensure that such issue is approved by board of director. बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर के द्वारा अप्रूव हुआ है कि नहीं, ये सब नीड टू बी चेक बाय ऑडिटर एंड verify by the term as per loan agreement. Okay, in case of debenture so as a collateral security, auditor need to be checked that the collateral security issued to the banks or creditors, then auditor need to ensure that such issue is approved by the board of director and verify the term as per loan agreement. So this is it, all about audit of debenture as per section 71. Very important topic. You need to remember all the important point like issue of debentures and what are the auditor's duty, interest on debentures and what are the auditor's duty, redemption of debenture and what are the auditor's duty, and collateral security, debenture issued as collateral security. Okay, so this is it, all about audit of debentures section 71. Section is very important, you need to remember all the sections. Audit of debenture is falling under section 71. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support.